be an entertaining game.
And with the defender now.
Silva. Cancelo. Lovely passing here.
Finds his teammate. Good distribution.
That's good link-up play. Passing the ball really well. Passed well.
Confident pass.
Oh, well intercepted. Now it's Griezmann. Good ball.
He could be punished for that mistake.
Great chance here.
Well, let's take another look at that.
Oh, that's a really dangerous cross. Headed goalwards. What a finish. What a great headed goal. A great goal there. Here's how he found the net. And the crowd are well behind their team now they've got their goal. We're back underway. Cavani.
Great dribbling. Finds his teammate. Oh, wayward pass. Normally he's so accurate with his distribution.
They're just looking to keep the ball. Kante. Sends it long. Ball's crossed the line, it's out of play. Here's Van Dijk. Great understanding between this team.
And he's won it back for his team.
Now, here's Giroud. He did well to win the ball back. Kante.
Good distribution.
Oh, there's an opening here.
Long shot.
That's good link-up play. That's nicely played.
We're into time added on now. And he's given possession away in a dangerous place.
What a well-timed range effort.
He's scored a brace.
Let's see a replay of that crucial goal. So we're back underway. That's it for now. It's half-time. They're ahead, but all that can change. They'll have to work hard to keep their lead. Passed well.
Won the ball.
Good ball. Oh, this is good stuff.
Confident pass.
That's good link-up play. They have the ball again. Now, here's Giroud.
Here's Ronaldo.
Oh, look at that showboating. And he's clear of the defence, but can he finish it? Oh, I'm looking forward to seeing that great save again.
Club. What an achievement.
Oh, we need to see that goal again. A tactical change here then. He'll be pleased with putting his team 3-0 up today. A commanding performance from this team. Now it's Griezmann. And this really takes the pressure off the defence.
Bruno Fernandes. He's headed the ball forward.
He's got the goal in his sights. Shoots! Oh, what a finish! Into the bottom corner, decisive.
A chance to have a better look here. Let's start again. How will that change things?
And out for the throw-in. Both sets of players have had their fair share of the ball.
They've taken it down the wing.
Cancelo.
Bruno Fernandes.
Nice work there. That's nicely played.
Good, clean challenge. And it's Ronaldo.
Good ball.
Striker's ball. Oh, confident defending. Good distribution.
Oh, determined challenge there. Cavani in space.
Confident pass.
Full time, the manager will be pleased by his team's cup run. They'll be setting their sights on the final now.